Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So for today's video, I'm going to do a pamper routine. What I like to start with first is I like to do my nails first, just so I can get that out of the way so they have time to dry. When I do my manicure, I like to first start by soaking my nails. So I'm going to use dish soap in this bowl, and then I like to put an essential oil in the little bowl as well with the water and soap. I'm going to use a peppermint essential oil. I love the smell of this one. It's so nice. And what I like to do is I like to first kind of get my fingers nice and saturated in the solution or in the water. And then I like to kind of take a dry brush. This one I think I got from Home Goods. It's like one of my favorite ones. I just like to kind of exfoliate my hands and my arms as well. And then I'm going to use this Jafra Spa hand polish. This is my favorite hand polish ever. I actually use it on my legs as well, but I'm going to use this for my arms and hands right now. And then I like to just kind of massage my hands a little bit and my arms, and then I just let it soak in for a little bit. I didn't do it in this time, but I usually let it soak, and then I rinse the polish off. For a lotion, I'm going to use my Vanilla Bean Noel body lotion from Bath & Body Works. I absolutely love this lotion. I also have the fragrance of it. It's so nice. So I'm just going to apply the lotion on my arms and hands. And then I'm going to kind of also just do a little bit of massaging on my arms. Then I'm going to take off the current nail polish that I have with some acetone. And then I realized that I didn't have like a little either a paper towel or some paper underneath my hands, so I just took this little nail art thing and I'm just going to use that. Then I like to start by clipping my nails. I didn't have too many nails to clip, but I just did it anyway. And then I like to kind of file down my nails so to get the shape of the nail. And then this is a Sally Hansen nail file, by the way. Next, I'm going to push back my cuticle. I don't know where this is from. I'm not going to use I think these are called orange sticks. Yeah. I'm just going to use this metal one, and I do that on every nail. And then I take this cuticle scraper thing just to get rid of the dead cuticle. So this part of the manicure, I like to be really, really careful on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Sally Hansen nail file. I'm just going to file down the nail plate just a little bit. I'm not going to go too hard on this, just to kind of give the nail bed some, so the nail polish can grip on to the natural nail better. So here I'm just going to take a random fluffy brush and I'm just going to remove any of the dust from filing the nail. Now, I don't use this brush anymore for makeup. I just use it for my nails now. So now I'm going to cleanse the nail. I'm going to use this Kiss I think it's a cleanser. And what I actually did, I finished the product and I put some nail polish remover and alcohol in the bottle, and I just made my own little like cleansing solution. So I'm going to apply this on every nail. Ooh, when I was getting rid of the cuticle, I kind of made myself bleed a little bit in the cuticle, so there's a little bit of, I'm bleeding just a little bit. So I am letting my nails kind of grow out a little bit, so I'm not going to do a color for a nail polish today. I'm just going to use actually a top coat. So I'm going to use the LA Girl Glossy in a Flash Quick Dry Top Coat. It's my new favorite top coat. I absolutely love it, and I actually use this as a base coat and a top coat, and it works amazing. I absolutely love it. So this is the only polish that I'm going to use on my nails for today. So I have not been liking to go to the nail salon anymore. I just like to do a manicure and pedicure myself now. So what I've been loving to do, I just started doing this. I'm going to take a nail brush and I'm just going to dip it in some acetone, and I'm just going to clean up around the nail, and it looks like the perfect professionally done nail, and I think it's so pretty. So I'm just going to do that around the nail. This is probably one of my favorite parts of my pamper routine. I'm going to now curl my hair. I already washed my hair this morning, so I'm just going to curl my hair. So first I'm going to part my hair, and I'm going to actually leave my bangs out of the curls because I'm going to do my bangs the next day. So I'm just going to clip my bangs back, and then I'm going to take this Function of Beauty texturizing spray on my hair on both sides. And then for the heatless curling method that I'm going to use my bathrobe tassel to curl my hair. So I'm just going to clip it on the top of my head and then kind of basically French braid my hair into the bathrobe tassel. That's how I kind of like to describe it when I'm... Now it's time to take off the makeup. I'm going to take my Youth of the People cleansing balm to just kind of dissolve all of my makeup. I just like to kind of warm it up in between my hands first, and then I'm going to take the ITK cleansing foam. I absolutely love this cleansing foam from this brand. It's my new favorite. And then to apply this cleansing foam, I'm going to use the Anissa Beauty cleansing brush. Okay, when I do my pamper routine, I also like to do kind of like a facial with the pamper routine. So I'm going to take my Jaffa Royal Revitalized Volcanic Micro Polish Mask, and I'm going to exfoliate the skin. While I like to do that, I also like to massage it into my skin while I have my steamer going. This steamer is from Conair. It's my favorite steamer. I absolutely love it. I'm just going to, after I like to massage it into my skin. So now I'm going to use a face mask. This is not one of my favorite face masks, but I do kind of really like it. It's the Jafra Malibu Miracle face mask. I think that's what it's called. I'm just going to use a brush to apply it. I really like to use brushes when applying a face mask, it's the best. So I don't do this every single time I do my pamper routine, or basically my nighttime routine actually. I'm going to now shave my eyebrows. So I'm going to take this Flawless, I think it's a brow shaver, and I'm just going to shave in between the brows. And then I actually am going to go in with a tweezers just to get any hairs that are like under the brow or on top of the brow. And then what I like to do is I like to take, I think these are cuticle scissors, and then I'm going to take a spoolie and just kind of trim the lashes a little bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and shave my face. I don't have a face oil, so I'm actually going to be using the cleansing balm that I used to take off the makeup. So I'm going to take my Revlon facial razor just to kind of shave the peach fuzz and also kind of a little bit between the brows where I missed with the Flawless shaver thing. This toner is kind of still a little bit new to me. I'm going to use the ITK toner, and I'm going to apply this using a cotton ball. I feel like using a toner is the best with cotton balls. It's awesome. This is probably one of my favorite products from ITK. I'm going to use the Brightening Vitamin Serum. It's so nice. I like to keep this serum in my little mini skincare fridge to keep it really nice and cool. And then I'm going to use I don't remember what brushes from Anissa Beauty. For an eye cream, I'm going to use the ITK Brightening Eye Cream Duo. This one is a nighttime one and a daytime one. I'm going to use the daytime one with my eye treatment brush from Anissa Beauty. So after I took out my curls, I'm going to use this new Paul Mitchell hairspray that I got, and I'm going to spray that through my hair, and then now I'm going to style my bangs. I'm going to use a curling iron to style them. I'm going to first take the texturizing spray from Function of Beauty, and then I'm going to take my Conair hair curler and just kind of curl my bangs away from my face. I had so much fun filming today's video. I really like pamper routines. I think they're my favorite video to film for YouTube. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and the Bible verse of the day is going to be in the description and pinned in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!